Let's have a look now at copying and deleting components in our circuit. So, first thing we do though, remember our project. We've got the drawing copying and deleting components. We right click on our project, add the active drawing. Apply the default project values. Yes to that because we've got the terminals there and it's redoing the associations to the terminals. And it updates. Right click on the drawing, properties, drawing properties, make sure that your sheet value is correct and sequential. Click on OK. Again, good CAD practice. Stick at it. So, copying and deleting. I'm going to copy this relay here, RAM03. I'm going to copy that on there. So I click on it, right click, I can copy that component. So I copy it there, there's the copied component. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to drop it into that wire there on the circuit, like so. Now, because I've copied it, it's got the same description as the component that was originally selected. So I need to change that and change that to 5. It needs to be sequential. So I'll OK that there, like so. So that's there. I've copied it. Now, remember, I need to align that now. So I go here, align. I want it to align with 01, like so. I line up 02, 03, 04, just in case they've moved, and 05. I right-click to confirm. They're all nice and neatly in a line. So you could utilize copy and align very effectively there. Okay, deleting components. Now, you can just click on a component like that, right-click, delete. That's how quick and easy it is. So what I'll do there, though, I'll just hit escape. What about terminals, though, like this with associations? Can I delete those components? Well, yes, I can. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's select all 4. I'll then right-click. Look, can you see that? I go to my original right-hand shortcut menu, but if I left-click, does it bring up another menu? It doesn't, because they're just 4 block references now. They're not components anymore. Let me hit escape a couple of times. If I select the 1 terminal and right-click, I can delete that component. So I'll delete that one. It disappears. Notice the wiring is still there. If I select this one, right-click, delete component, it disappears. But notice the wiring is still coming off of this rung here, going to terminal 3. So I delete this one here, right-click, delete component. Can you see there how the drawing's updating each time? So if I now delete terminal 4, what happens? Well, let's watch. Delete component. Just now a connection from one wire there to that wire there. So from that rung there to that rung there. Now, if I select this wire here and right-click, can I delete it? No, I can't. So what I have to do there now is just delete those wires. If I delete those bits there, like that, right-click and erase, does the drawing update? It doesn't. So you need to be aware of that. It's very important that you understand that once you've deleted those components, that is just a wire connection now. I can insert components at those intersections later, that's no problem. But just be aware of that when you edit those components, obviously they're gone. And the components have left just a connection from one wire to another. So that's copying and deleting components in your AutoCAD electrical.